The deltoid ABCD has a perimeter of 44 centimeters. Calculate its area. Let's find the area of the kite. In a kite, adjacent sides are equal. Remember that. We'll call side BC x. It's a variable. The perimeter of the kite is the sum of all its sides. Let's plug in the given numbers to solve for x. Now, let's make x the subject. Almost there. This is the length of sides BC and DC. Pretty cool. In a kite, diagonals cross at right angles. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem to triangle BEA. Substitute the numbers and solve for BE. Now we have the length of BE. Nice work! The main diagonal cuts the other diagonal in half. This is the length of diagonal BD. Apply the Pythagorean theorem to triangle BEC. Substitute values and solve for EC. Let's make CE the subject. Now we have the length of CE. Diagonal AC equals AE plus EC. Easy! Let's use the kite area formula. Multiply diagonals, then divide by 2. Substitute the values and find the area. Let's simplify. You're doing great! Carefully multiply each factor. Open those parentheses. Simplify to the square roots of 25 and 19. And that's the solution. Well done!